Very colorful and very beautiful. Oh. Oh, interesting movers here. I found this shop selling the traditional Indian costume. I'm always pretty amazed by the mystical creatures. Greetings from Singapore. Today, now I'm at Little India, Singapore. Let's check out this place. We call it the India of Singapore because there are many stuff related to India. Look at the colorful buildings. Also a hotel called Little India Check-in over there. And right here we have many Indian god picture photo frames. This is amazing, man. Over 20, I think there's some more there. Very colorful and very beautiful. Ganesha. Wow. It's amazing, huh? So this is the street food of India. Dosai, onion dosai, uttapam, masala, onion puri, chapati, lemon rice, tomato rice. They even hang the flowers at the entrance. I think it's a sign of good luck. Barber shop. In front is a very colorful building, the house of Tanzania. I mean here a few times in the past few years, and look at that. Having their dinner right now. Very colorful structure, building. Part of the Little India Heritage Trail, the former house Tanzania. Wow, it has 8 rooms, man. But I wonder when was it like made it so colorful. There's a bar here in Indian cuisine and the bar flavors. Oh. So this is the back of the house. Pretty amazing, right? And over there is a market, and just in front of there is hawker center. Ulu, Christian Monastery. Some kind of mama shop here. I noticed there are lots of barber shops here. Some kind of little crane worship right here. The pictures. Wow. The barber shop or the tattoo shop, man. So actually this is the resting area. Box 668 Chandler multi-purpose hall. It's only open on Sunday. Probably holiday they should take a rest. I guess there'll be plenty of people there on weekends and Sundays and holidays. Oh, interesting movers here. Lucky I came here. I got here before sunset. Otherwise I'll miss it, man. I mean, at night you don't really see that girl, right? I'm not sure they're all the computer light today. This is a curry house. It is curry authentic Indian food. I found this shop selling the traditional Indian costume. Look at that, man. It's just so beautiful and colorful. The shop name is Asha Weaves. I think they do it by hand, no? They call the saris, the traditional costume is saris. Wow. Wow. Berlin, York Lane. I think it's a nice name. And there's a temple here. I checked the internet. It's actually called the Riyasami Temple. Right over. I'm standing. You know, the names of the shop and room are really cute here. Here, Lulu, money changer. I'm always pretty amazed by the mystical creatures and their gods.